All right, in the next part of the lab, we will cover how you can exclude directories from secret scanning for alerts. So if I go into any of my repository, let me just come back to my actual profile. Yep, that's my profile. I'm just gonna go to one of my repositories. Let's just say this one. And within this, I want to exclude a few directories. Like for example, I want to exclude the directory for, I need something with a few more directories in there. So let me just find another repository. We've got a few folders, so I can actually show you the structure. Repository, I think it's called view. Nope, not that one. I haven't created the folder. Terraform collection. I'm trying to find a place where, oh, there you go. Okay, so this is one place where I have enabled CloudTrail. I just want to see, do I have any security turned on over here? I only have Dependabot. This is a private repository where it makes sense for me to have a .git ignore file. Now what I'll do is I will add a file. Now for me to exclude, I'm going to add a file, create a new file. And I will put a link. So I will obviously want the file type to be secret_scanning. So I'll just put that in here, which is within the GitHub folder, secret scanning. And now paths to ignore. It could be anything. It could be a PY file or YAML file. I'll just put YAML file for the sake of this. Yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do commit change, created, added foobar for not secret scanning. It's important to make it as descriptive as possible in the shortest number of words possible. Probably two opposite ends of what I'm trying to say essentially is that keep it succinct if you can, but it should also be obvious what you're trying to do. So I am clear on what I've done. I've created a folder as well. Now, if I come back onto my tree, you should see .git ignore the .github file as well. So, which has my secrets file in there as well. So, with that said, that is how you would configure what folders or files to ignore as part of your alerts from showing up on your secret scanning alerts. This is how you would do it. And for you to see any alerts, well, this is a private repository. You would not see it because I don't have a paid version. But if you were to go to any of my public repositories, if you go to security, you should see secret scanning and any open alerts would come over here. All right, that's the end of the secret scanning lab. I'll see you in the next class.